Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Today we are going to learn Unit 8 Algebraic Expressions exercise 8.1. Before doing this exercise, we have to learn what are constant, variables, algebraic expressions, terms of an expressions, coefficient, base and exponent, like and unlike terms, monomial, binomial and trinomial. What are constant? In arithmetic, quantities are expressed by numbers. Each number has a fixed value and is called constant. For example, 1, 2, 3 and 3.4. These are constant. These numbers has fixed value. Now what are variables? A variable is a symbol which denotes any number. The letter A, B, C and X, Y, Z are used to denote variables in algebra. For example, 3a, 5x and 2m. A, x and m are variables. Now what are algebraic expressions? An algebraic expression is obtained from constant and variables with the help of mathematical operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and raising power. For example, 5x plus 3, 2y minus 6z plus 5. These are the examples of algebraic expression. Now what are terms of an expression? The part of algebraic expressions separated by plus or minus sign are called terms. For example, 3x plus 7y minus 4z plus 9. This algebraic expression contains 4 terms. The first one is 3x, the second one is 7y, third one is 4z and the last one is 9. All these terms are separated by the signs of plus and minus. Now what are coefficients? A coefficient is a number multiplied by a variable. For example, 8x, 2y and 9z. In these terms, coefficient of x is 8 and coefficient of y is 2 and coefficient of z is 9. So 8, 2 and 9 are coefficient which is multiplied by the variable. Now base and exponent. The repetition of factor is shown by the use of a small number written on the right side of the factor at its top, just as in arithmetic. This small number is called exponent and the factor which is repeated is called the base. For example, 3 with exponent 4, 2 with exponent cube. In first example, 3 with exponent 4, 3 is a base and 4 is an exponent. It shows that 3 is multiplied by itself 4 times. And in second example, 2 is a base and 3 is an exponent. It shows that 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. Now like and unlike terms. The terms with same variables and exponents are called like terms, and the terms with different variables and exponent are called unlike terms. For example, 2x, 5x and 10x. In these terms, the variables are same. And 10z square, 5z square, 9z square. In these terms, variables and exponents are same, So these are like terms, and like terms can be added and subtracted. But 6a, 7y and 8b are unlike terms. Similarly, 2a square and 2a cube are also unlike terms. In these terms, the variable is same but the exponent is different. So these are unlike terms, because in like terms exponents and variables both are same, and unlike terms cannot be added and subtracted. Now, what are monomial, binomial, and trinomial? According to the number of terms, the expressions are divided into three categories. The first one is an expression having one term is called monomial. An expression having two terms is called binomial. And an expression having three terms is called trinomial. For example, 5z is monomial because it has only one term. 2x plus 3y is binomial because it has two terms, 2x and 3y. And 6a plus 2b plus 8c is trinomial because it has three terms, 6a, 2b and 8c. I hope you all have understood. Jazakallah and Allah Hafiz.